I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Chef James is back again, and this video is going to be about how to make Jiffy blueberry muffins. You may think it's simple, but you always gotta follow directions. So let's break it down for anybody want to make some simple blueberry muffins that are not hard to do, and it's real easy. So let's start by reading the instructions. We got one package of Jiffy blueberry muffins, which is right here. One egg. See, I already messed up. I got 2 eggs. So we have 1 egg and then 1/4 cup of milk. So there's my 1 egg, and there's a 1/4 cup of milk. So what I'm gonna do, I got my blueberry mix, which is in there, and I got a pan. So let's get to it. It says, first thing we're gonna do, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So my oven is right here. So we're gonna crank this up to 400. Bake time, and it says for 15 minutes. So we're gonna take this bake time up. What I want to do, I usually do like set 2 minutes over, because it takes me about 2 minutes or so to set everything up. So set it up to 400 degrees for 17 minutes, because the prep time is going to be in here. So first thing you want to do is you want to take your blueberry mix, and then you dump it into your bowl here. I'm going to sit that right there. Next thing, and like I said, I got 2 eggs. Actually, I'm going to get something a little harder than that to crack the egg. So I got my little spatula here, and as you can see, there's that. So I'm gonna crack the egg. There's 1 egg, and a good rule of thumb, what I always do is I leave that open so I can put all my trash inside the box. So there we go. So there's the 1 egg I just put in there. Now it says 1/4 cup of milk. Here's 1/4 cup of milk. You just pour the milk in there. Sit that to the side, and that's it. Now we just mix it all together as so. Just mix all this up. I do have a blender, but I don't really think it's necessary, you know, with this. You know, if you're doing a cake or something, you could use the blender, but I'm just gonna do this. You can just do this by hand. Boom, 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 boom. And then get that going real good. Bam. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, see, that's all. Let's see how that's mixed up. That's mixed up pretty good already. See the blueberries in there? Check it out. You got blueberries in there, real nice. I'm gonna mix it up just a little bit. It's about done now. But I'm going to mix that up a little bit more. And now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move these couple of things out the way, and I'm going to get my pan. Here's the pan. And this is something that you probably hadn't seen before. So here's my batter. These are little wax pieces of paper made for like a cupcake, either, you know, little pans like these with the little Jiffy bread muffin pan. These are little muffins, and you put those in there. But what I always do though first is I always use coconut oil. We use coconut spray. So I'm gonna take my coconut spray. First I'm gonna spray the pan down with coconut spray, and then I'm gonna place these inside the little slots there, as you can see. Place those inside the slots. And now, make sure everything is up. And see the paper, you push them down, they actually help to hold, the spray actually holds the paper down in the bottom. So once you do that, next, we're gonna do our batter one more time. Ooh yeah, and now, let's fill her up. So let me make sure you guys got the good angle there. Fill that up. I try to be as neat as I can, but sometimes things just don't work out. You try to be real neat. So I fill it up, not to the top, but almost to the top. I'll show you guys once I fill it up. Almost to the top. Boom. Come over here. This box right here, the standard box, should make 6 real nice sized blueberry muffins. And see, once you mix it up, you got blueberries all the way through. I should have one more. See how I got, see how, you know, you just can't get it right all the time. But boom, fill it up. Then you make sure you got the same amount of batter in each one. See, that's about good. And this one looked like it needs a little bit more. I got a little bit more in there. This one, yeah, that one's gonna be a little short right there. So, but that's good. That's good right there. Let me get this out the way. And now, what you can see, this how it looks now. So I pretty much got it right in there. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit so that we won't have any batter cooking outside of the trays. And that's just the spray right there. That's just the spray I have in. So now these are ready for the oven. So let's put these in the oven. And the box says for 15 minutes, which is about what I've got. Oh yeah, that's the other thing too. Usually I do like 2 minutes. You want to check it, you know, 2 minutes before the timer goes off if you have a timer on your oven, because usually the box is always a couple minutes off there. So now let's put these in the oven and we're going to show you what they look like when they come out. And we put these in the oven there like so. As you can see, I got them on a shelf that's a little bit raised from the bottom, not on the top shelf. And so right there, we're going to let it cook and we're going to see what we got. Alright, you guys, they're almost done. What I like to do, because I like the brown top, I took them out and put them on the top shelf and I turned the broiler on. The broiler is the one at the top. So I turned that on because I like the top of my bread brown a little bit. So I put that in there probably for like maybe 1 minute. There you have it, guys. There's the finished product. See, I like a little brown on my muffins like that. So there's the finished product right there. Blueberry muffins. Woo, coming out the pan hot, nice and fresh. And as you can see, you guys, by me having that wax paper underneath, I'm just using a spoon. And look, it come right out. Real neat. You just take the wax paper off. So look, you don't have to worry about, you know, having a messy pan. I'm gonna put these on the plate real quick. See how I take them out? I can take them out with my hands. They're a little hot right now, but I just take them out as so. Woo, yep, that's a little hot. Boom. Take them out. There's the muffin. Ooh, that pan is hot. And as you can see, you got minimum cleanup on the pan. Just basically, you know, a good little rinse down and wipe down, you know, scraping, you know, of the batter in the plate. No scratching up, you know, your pan. Have to go through a lot of pan. Everything nice and neat. Hey, this is Chef James with how to make Jiffy blueberry muffins. I'll see you guys on the next video.